The latest MacBook models only feature USB-C ports, which is why Desert West came up with this brilliant 7-in-1 USB-C hub, so you can connect all the things you need to without multiple dongles. I really like the packaging it comes in. You get an artistic kind of preview of what the product looks like, as well as what ports it supports. HDMI, 2 USB 3, SD, TF, USB-C and Thunderbolt 3. It basically has all the ports you'll ever need. The hub has an aluminum enclosure and it fits well with the MacBook's aesthetics. I've got the silver MacBook Pro here, but it probably matches the space grey model better. Still, it looks good and I like that it connects to the edge of the MacBook without any cables. It looks neat. It's very light too, and even comes with a leather sleeve to store it in. Simply plug and play for the hub to work and connect all the devices you want to. It works perfectly fine with multiple external devices connected, so whether you want to connect your monitor, your TV, a wired keyboard, external hard drives or an SD card, this 7-in-1 hub will help you do it. It's plug and play, it looks good and it's cable-less. I can't fault it, it's a great hub and it will come in very handy for anyone with a MacBook Pro 2016 model or newer.